cleanse your liver and lose weight in 72 hours with this powerful drink. Make this powerful drink to cleanse the liver and get rid of overweight without too much effort. When the body is full of toxins, the liver cannot perform its functions normally. In this case, the process of losing weight is significantly slower and you gain more and more weight. People do not know that the liver is probably the most important factor that decides whether to lose weight or not. Moreover, the liver also decides whether it will be for a long time or not. That is the reason why people do not lose weight despite their great effort. If you are one of those people who want to lose weight, then try this recipe and detoxify your liver completely. Consume this drink for 4 days and cleans the liver of the toxins and dirt that live inside it. How is it used? 1. Consume this drink 3 times a day for 4 days. 2. Avoid heavy meals during these 4 days. 3. Eat healthy foods in order to facilitate the detoxification process of the liver and lose some weight. Ingredients: 1. 4 lemons. 2. 2 cups chopped parsley. 3. 2 celery. 4. 1 liter of water. Instructions: 1. Put the lemon juice, parsley and celery in the blender and blend. 2. Then add the water and mix again. 3. Consume 2 glasses 3 times a day on an empty stomach. 4. Repeat the procedure in the next 3 days. Then take a break for 7 days and repeat.